Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Hope you will be fine by the grace of Almighty, dear students. We are studying equations of motions. We have derived the first equation of motion by graphical method. Today we shall derive second equation of motion by graphical method. Dear students, the graphical method through which is equations of motion derive karam v is equal to u plus at first equation of motion कर as derive through graphical method. आज से करें ब्याक equation second equation about that is s is equal to u into t plus 1/2 of at square through graphical method. Dear students, consider a motion, the motion of a body on a straight path with increasing velocity. Ekis body motion must straight line path with motion body is in a motion motion on a straight path, not curved path, but its velocity is increasing. It's with increasing velocity. Let the initial velocity of the body be u at time t is equal to yel time start gumtu yani zero chu. This point one of initial velocity has such timis body has u yim straight line path must just motion karacha. Yel tims yel time t ch this point tims velocity yat is thona initial velocity that is equal to u. When time is zero, t is zero. That body accelerates with uniform acceleration. Body has such path accelerate kara after this is uniform u. At but u your area initial velocity. Yet but uniformly accelerate ye gasa. After market but after time t. Yani yet but uniformly accelerate gaye. Now it has gained acceleration and it's an accelerated motion. Its velocity is changing. Let it is that final velocity after when t was 0 its velocity u. When time is t its velocity will become v. The velocity time graph of such a body will be as shown. This is velocity time graph. Body is starting from this. Here this is initial velocity. And from this point its time t is equal to 0. If 0 image velocity is u. This. This is straight line. This is a uniform straight line motion. Uniform is accelerate gasa in a uniform manner and uniform acceleration. Yet pet you time. You go velocity x axis this is y axis. Yat axis pet time how yat pet velocity is yapur velocity increase gasa mar equally your with the increase in time interval velocity gasa change. Imik velocity time graph kya go? You go this is yapur. You go imik velocity time graph. That is a. This is a. This is c. This is b. This is b. This is d. This is e. You can always further perpendicular after remit. So go uniformly accelerate gasa from a to b. In a velocity time graph, this graph you go from A, it is uniformly accelerated to point B. This is velocity axis, this is time axis. That distance traveled by the body is equal to the area enclosed under the velocity time graph. Im kota distance cover. So gay barabar to punukta samj amut pour as punukta ye area. Yet but him start kar O A B D. This is basically this per your go gonna throw as imped perpendicular crow yet chorus join back perpendicular throw yet per your chorus yapuri join BD perpendicular to OD BC perpendicular to OC as join. The is back point is A point but emission in acceleration gas uniform acceleration sub point is your B straight line is so join kara is figure kara complete. Basically figure here you just perpendicular to after your after kara join this and this. You should this is AE is equal to OD. A distance क्या को तेल दिल को ये area इस जेट पर area शी करे थोड़ा shaded देता है simple shade light shade. Area enclosed the distance traveled by the body from A to B. It is area from enclosed in the curve OABD. This OABD it is a figure, but is this figure we call this is trapezium. It's a trapezium. This also the parallel side, the side parallel asan barabar asan length maski. This is trapezium. The area of trapezium go tell chest book around distance covered by this body. It is equal to the area of this area, enclosed area. This area, it is a trapezium. Area of trapezium is area of OABD, which is a trapezium. That is, it is formula is mathematics that is sum of parallel sides divided by 2 into altitude. Sum of parallel sides divided by 2 into altitude. You go trapezium is formula. Chunki yete trapezium, yete formula sum of parallel sides. What are parallel sides? Parallel sides OA and BD divided by 2 into OD. Altitude क्या है? एक this OD है altitude. ये अपन नाम figure altitude क्या है? एक this OD है altitude. चूँकि इस parallel side and the distance traveled by body is equal to the area enclosed OABD, which is a trapezium. The trapezium area of trapezium is given by area that is area of OBD, which is trapezium. That is a sum of parallel sides divided by 2 into altitude. Sum of 2 parallel sides are here. Come to the parallel side. OA BD divided by 2 into altitude. Altitude chat OD. Altitude this is it is altitude. Is पर ऐसे वुचो ये side च this side this bisect करा शो दुश्मन जाएं the we can consider this is altitude. जीत है altitude में चूँकि वो करो इसे consider altitude. S is equal to OA का बराबर OH initial U BD का बराबर BD is equal to BD is equal it is final velocity यहाँ पर BD it is equal to BD is equal to this OV it is final velocity V. BD is basically final velocity. This is final velocity graph. Go it is V divided by BD च बराबर OE such एक V बराबर this final velocity V divided by 2 into OD का बराबर it is T. वो क्या U plus V divided 2 into T क्या है BD is equal to OC is equal to V. तब एक और ऐसे जाए BD instead of BD S could substitute V value. From equation first of motion we have equation first cash motion V is equal to U plus A into T. Substitute value of V in equation first. You said equation first as one. This is equation first. Atmas karo V value substitute. Chunki S is equal to U T 1/2 of A T V as zorat ki chunki V eliminate karne khatar karo imis value as substitute. V is man. Kya bain? Sabine V U plus V बदल क्या आई V बदल E V is equal to U plus AT A into U T A into T which V is equal to U plus AT U you go at pan be go निम्क V value U plus AT you go as what equation number this equation number first यात में correspond निम्क V is equal to U plus U V बदल U plus 8 into T ऐसा point U plus A into T divided by 2 into T. T chat pan action T at pan this T. Yat go divide yat na kihin go divide that go 1. So S is equal to U plus U is equal to 2U into plus AT divided by 2 into T divided by 1. S is equal to you can cross multiplication. This cross you can multiple simple multiplication. 2U into T go 2UT. Plus AT square divided by 2. So S equal 2UT divided by 2 plus AT square divided by 2. 2 to 2 go cancel. S is equal to UT AT square divided by 2. ये क्या मतलब go? You go AT square मगर half. You go odd AT square. So go till 1/2 of AT square. It put in AT square are 2 parts. It is half of AT square. So go 8 square magar half 1/2 of 8 square hence derived it put gas through graphical method karas derive ye second equation of motion be thamot video to do aram san nazar to wuchit cat ya chi ye body im jakar initial velocity u at put pata accelerated motion OB patches figure karmas complete perpendicular BC kormo draw yat you are kormo yat par bya perpendicular 8 kormo join ish barabar T ish velocity you go final velocity hota hai अथ बेसिस पे पत एरिया अमिस डिस्टेंस क्या OABD युस ट्रपेजियम फार्मुला बे करो नहुंद वैल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट इत पे पत नेरान पत अमुक फाइनल वैल्यू मे होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट इन केस ऑफ एनी प्रॉब्लम यू कैन कॉल ऑन माय पर्सनल नंबर थैंक यू